So resource recommendation is one another good feature that Microsoft is put in the testing phase at this point of time. It is not out even in the preview mode. But what I have something to show you is how it will work with some screen captures that I have. But resource recommendation is when you have a project plan and on the tasks, if you have some generic resources that you have tagged, what system will do is will try to prescribe you some resources based on the historic experiences of their experience they have on that task, their skill criteria, and stuff like that. So this is something which let me go there because I don't have demo to show you, but I will show you the screen capture. So here is a team tab where you have some generic resources. If you see here that are tagged onto the project because we don't know, we just know the resource name, resource position name on which role you want, the required hours, whether it is a full-time resource or a contractor. So now there are certain prerequisites that you have to take care before you start doing this is you have to select the project which is staffed with one or more unnamed resource, meaning generic resources. You have to select run one row at a time. You cannot do multiple row at a time. And currently, out of all the current scoring is based on the relevance of the resources uh, based on its past experience in the projects. And in future, what Microsoft is trying to do is augment a lot of more criteria to give a perfect suggestion based on the cost, the availability, the utilization, and the skill matrix as well. So if you see one row is selected and you can see there are three recommendations on the right hand side that is automatically come. This happens when you click on the suggest resource button on the top here. And then there are scored based on 10, that is an exact match, 9 is somewhere there and stuff like that. And if you go on to the next slide, you can even see uh, David is on the 10 score, meaning he's a best match. He has 200 hours of relevant experience in the past projects working. It's a 100% skill match. The cost impact is this much. That means the resource when he's working for 40 hours, this will be the cost. And yes, he's 100% available at this point of time. So this is one good thing which the project manager, the staffing team, or the resource manager can take advantage of and do a very quick resource allocations to the project.